My name's Andy Sparrow. Started forging 2 or 3 years ago, mainly just to be different. It was another hobby nobody else ever did, and I like watching the metal stretch, heat up, everything about it, the dipping it in the water, making new things. I still forge because it's still different. Nobody else does it much. It's just fun. I learned from a guy in Walla Walla that still does it. He's kind of the head of the Blue Mountain Blacksmith Guild, which I was part of. Just like-minded people getting together to have fun in that situation, and can't go wrong. Can't. I like to try to keep it old, not use too many modern tools. We got a lot of tongs, hammers, the forge, obviously, the anvil. You forge usually around 2,000, 2,300 degrees, roughly, depending on what I'm forging. Hardest part about it is not grabbing the hot metal. That's pretty tough. Sometimes, if you guys saw today, got to do it
Almost on
accident.
Had to go.